G'day fellow moto vloggers, Bandit Nev. I'm Suzuki, the Suzuki Bandit. I want to talk about ABS and the fluid that is in the ABS system. What I mean by that is when you recharge or redo your brake fluid and get put clean brake fluid through the system, the stuff in the ABS stays there, it doesn't come out. And I've been trying to find anything on the subject of how to get rid of the or change the fluid in the ABS system, the pump or whatever it is. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm falling very short. The only thing I've found is there's a video on how to do it on an FJR 1300, and you cross these two wires in the plug that they use to diagnose your system, and you do a couple of things like turn the key on and a couple of times or whatever, and you hit the starter button, and you feel the or hear that the system is purging from the front brake, then the back brake, then the front brake again, because it vibrates. It's like an automatic system. So then you know that you can clean out your brake fluid that you've just put in there, your clean brake fluid that you've just flushed from your system, your normal system, and the ABS system will push out the old brake fluid and replace it with new. I've been trying to find something like that for the Suzuki, but I haven't found anything. And my guess is it's pretty hard to find if I can't find it. So I have read a couple of forums, and some people say the only thing you can do is to lock up your back wheel and make it flush through the system that way. In other words, make the ABS actually activate. So I've done that on Smokey here, but that only does the back brake, I believe. And I've got to do the front brake, but I'm too scared to lock the front wheel up. As you can imagine. A lot harder to do than what you think it is, and especially to stay on the bike. So I suppose I'm asking out there if anyone else has come across this or knows of any other way. I'd be more than happy to know, and maybe I can flush out the old fluid in the ABS system and replenish it with good stuff. The things we do for our bikes. So anyway, this is Bandit Nev on Suzuki, the Suzuki Bandit, bidding you all very, very, very safe riding. And until next time, cheers for now.